Welcome teammates that just came on board. This is a quick video about the world of day trading. Okay, when you are looking at a chart, it looks like this in the beginning. Then one of the strongest tools that you can add to your chart to help you filter out possible direction of the market are your drawing tools. Okay, what we're looking for is we're looking for levels. Okay, we're looking for levels where price action responds to. There's a level right there. There's a level here. And when I say levels, I'm looking for like major areas, like these little short ones in here, not really concerned with. I like to see major disturbance in the force, so to speak. Like this pullback right here, it stopped and it started going back up again. So as technical analysis, this is what we're looking for. We're looking for key areas where price stalled and made a U-turn. Okay, stalled, made a U-turn. Stalled and made a U-turn. Those are key areas, okay, to project into the future a possible same reaction when it comes back to that price. Now, how we are able to have an idea in the future of price action possibly was stopping and turning around again there is the use of the horizontal line. Now the horizontal line extends into the future, so we can't see this part over here yet. All right, so we see that price is starting to approach this area, so we know that from the past that this area was an area of concern because price stopped, turned back, or price bounced and kept going up. So we know in the future that 2880, around that area, okay, not precise, but around that area, there is going to be possibly an issue. Okay, so that's why we say area and not precisely on 2880. Okay, she bounced there and she reversed. Okay, and this is what we're looking for in terms of purchasing, or I'm not purchasing, but buying or selling a particular market. Okay, now this area is still going to be in the future as a possible area of stopping and reversing. And this is what the market does all the time. Okay, remember, you only have 3 ways that the market moves. So if the market only moves 3 ways, then why does everyone keep saying that trading is so difficult? If we eliminate our options on which way the market can move, right, doesn't that narrow down which way that we should be trading? Makes sense to me. So now our option that's left is the buy. Okay, but I believe because people are selling something like an upscale or something like that, I have no idea, but we're going to keep it very simple. Now, the first thing you want to do, again, I like to always repeat our foundation, is that you want to establish that timeline. Okay, and you want to identify the ceilings and the floors within that timeline. Okay, now once you do that, it encompasses price action. So if you think price action is going to break this ceiling, okay, you want to be purchasing down here, not at the ceiling, because as you can see, when you purchased at the ceiling for it to go higher, it did a complete reverse. Okay, and it's the same thing vice versa. If you're looking to sell the floor, if you think that the floor is going to excel past the floor, okay, you want to be buying up here at the top, as you were. You want to be selling at the top, okay? You want to break the floor, you sell at the top. You want to break the ceiling, you buy at the bottom, buy at the floor. So what this does is, in the event that price action does not break above the ceiling, because you got in at the floor, okay, you've already made your ticks from here to the ceiling, okay? That's 32 points. If we do the math on 32, first of all, you got to get the tick amount. So it's 4 ticks to a point, and that move was 32 points. So you got times 32 times 4, and that's going to give you 128 ticks. Times that by 12.5, because the E-mini market, ES, is $12.50 a tick. That one move made you $1,600 if you stayed in the whole move. Now, we have a plan. We have a slow, I know it might be a little bit slow, but it's a consistent plan, okay? Our plan is anywhere between 4 to 10 ticks, okay? So that same move would have made you 12 times 5 times, let's say 10 the max. That was a $125 move right here, okay? Now what we're going to do is we're going to wash, rinse, repeat, okay? 125, you figure 125 days, 20 times 21 trading days in a month, okay? Who else is producing this kind of profit, okay, to your principal? You know ain't no bank doing this, okay? So no one can put us better in charge of our financial destiny than ourselves once you mastered the skill, okay? So in the beginning, we're not really concerned about how much demo money you could make, because that's irrelevant. That's why it's very important that you get your skill mastered, okay? Because there is something mentally that clicks inside of our heads once we go live, and we're using live money. So we have to be able to depend on our skills so it automatically kicks in, so that we're not fear-based trading, okay? Now once you have an understanding of how, this is called our prep work. You're prep working for in the future or when you're about to take a trade. In order for you to know where the ceiling and floor is, your prep work should be done from the past, okay? Now, as you continue to grow in your trading career, there are other filters that we can help assess us in determining direction, okay? And one of 100, okay? Let me put that on there.